Can an AI agent replace your Excel wizard and your PowerPoint Pro in one click? OpenAI just dropped a Fusion AI so powerful it's sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley boardrooms and across the desks of everyday employees. It builds slides, crunches spreadsheets, and is making Microsoft think twice about its future. Even Google isn't safe. From back-office wars to a startling legal problem that's cracking the OpenAI-Microsoft agreement wide open, here's why this new AI agent could topple the tech giant's long-standing advantage. OpenAI's newest AI agent, called ChatGPT Agent, is a major step forward in productivity-focused technology, fusing its operator and deep research AI agents into something new. Built into ChatGPT, this smart system combines several advanced skills into a single tool. It can handle complicated tasks like creating Microsoft PowerPoint presentations or Microsoft Excel spreadsheets from plain language. For example, if a user types, "Analyze 3 competitors and make a slide deck," the agent finds the data, understands it, and builds a fully editable presentation. What makes this AI special is how smoothly it combines reasoning, planning, and tool usage. It doesn't just answer questions, it completes multi-step jobs by using tools like browsers, command lines, and APIs. In the background, it writes proper PowerPoint and Excel files using Python programming language, so the results work with both Microsoft Office and LibreOffice. Thanks to OpenAI's various APIs, this AI agent can manage tasks, gather data, and take actions with user approval, acting like a true digital assistant. So how different is this from other digital assistants already on the market? OpenAI's new AI agent is directly challenging Microsoft 365's strong position in the productivity software market. This tool lets users create Excel spreadsheets and PowerPoint presentations just by typing simple instructions in plain language. It works through ChatGPT and supports open file formats such as XLSX and PPTX, which Microsoft made publicly available. Because of this, OpenAI can use these formats without needing Microsoft's approval. This means people and businesses no longer need to use Microsoft software for tasks like data analysis, chart creation, or making presentations. Instead, they can rely on OpenAI's tools to handle these tasks automatically, possibly reducing the need to pay for Microsoft 365 subscriptions. This change is especially important for companies or even freelancers looking to save money and improve how smoothly their tools work together without needing to switch between programs. Additionally, OpenAI is developing a full productivity suite that includes shared editing, meeting summaries, and built-in communication features. If these tools prove more flexible and cost-friendly, Microsoft's long-standing monopoly in this space may be in trouble. ChatGPT Agent is also creating strong competition for Google Workspace, especially its Sheets and Slides applications. Google's tools have been popular as browser-based alternatives to Microsoft Office. Now, OpenAI offers an AI-focused option that changes how users create and manage documents. The AI agent can automatically make spreadsheets and presentations from simple language commands, removing the need for manual typing or switching between different apps. This directly competes with how people currently use Google Sheets and Slides for teamwork and online editing. OpenAI's plan to launch new AI-powered Office tools that enable live collaboration, automatic meeting notes, and built-in chat features could match or even improve on Google Workspace. OpenAI's tools may also help businesses save money and improve workflow by combining many tasks into one smart interface. As OpenAI links more closely with services like Gmail and Google Calendar, many users may start to shift away from Google software. ChatGPT Agent isn't the only cause of friction between OpenAI and the established tech giants. Tensions between OpenAI and Microsoft are rising due to a provision in their contract agreement known as the clause. This rule stipulates that if OpenAI's board ever declares that the company has achieved artificial general intelligence, or AGI, then Microsoft will no longer have access to OpenAI's future AI models. At the time of the agreement, AGI seemed so far away that Microsoft didn't mind including this clause. But now they want it removed, as industry leaders claim AGI is not far away any longer, while OpenAI is fighting to keep the clause intact. ChatGPT Agent isn't AGI, but OpenAI defines AGI as, quote, a highly autonomous system that outperforms humans at most economically valuable work, end quote. By that definition, we may not be far off, and ChatGPT Agent is yet another step in that direction. What sparked Microsoft's recent request to remove the now infamous clause was an internal paper from OpenAI titled 5 Levels of Artificial General Intelligence. The paper explains a clear trajectory from current AI tools to full AGI, involving 5 stages. Level 1 is characterized by chatbots that can engage in natural human-like conversations and respond to prompts effectively. Level 2 focuses on reasoning, where AI systems can tackle complex problems the way a PhD-level human would. OpenAI says they are approaching Level 2. Level 3 features AI agents that can operate autonomously for extended periods of time, adapt to changing circumstances, and make multifaceted decisions. Level 4 achieves a level of innovation in which AI systems' creativity enable groundbreaking solutions across various fields. Level 5 envisions AI that can perform the work of an entire self-sufficient organization. So what actually constitutes AGI? Remember the definition that OpenAI uses, quote, a highly autonomous system that outperforms humans at most economically valuable work, end quote. Are making slides and spreadsheets economically valuable work? For many companies, they often are. So would a better version of ChatGPT Agent be viewed as AGI? It's not clear, but the answer has massive implications for OpenAI's future. After all, the faster OpenAI moves from level to level, the faster OpenAI might declare it has achieved AGI, thereby triggering the clause, which limits Microsoft's access to OpenAI's models. And with GPT-5 on the horizon, after months of rumors, OpenAI may take an even bigger step toward declaring its independence from Microsoft, further breaking the bonds that have connected the two companies for years. ChatGPT Agent not only dents Microsoft's influence over Office productivity tools, but is also part of OpenAI's quick-burning push toward AGI if the company's agent becomes the main tool for getting work done. It could significantly change how digital workspaces operate. It may dominate the AI workspace industry and inspire additional applications built for and around it. This places OpenAI in a powerful position to shape the future of work. But this growing control could make it harder for other companies to compete, especially if OpenAI's tools become a standard part of business operations. Google has already asked the Federal Trade Commission to look into Microsoft's cloud partnership with OpenAI, calling it unfair. Still, OpenAI's approach might inspire new technologies. By focusing on smart agents instead of regular apps, it will likely push companies like Google and Microsoft to adapt or fall behind. Microsoft and Google spent decades building back-office empires, but OpenAI may have just torn them down in a week. If AI handles your spreadsheets and slides better, do you still need Microsoft Office or Google Workspace? Drop your take in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bold tech breakdowns.